Yo, man, what's up with y'all, man? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy. Yes, sir, aka Built on a Budget Junior. Hey, man, y'all see we out here with Sparrow, man. It feel good out here. You know what I mean? We buttoning back. We buttoning up Sparrow. So, before we finish getting in the buttoning up Sparrow, man, I need to wash this garage dust off Sparrow. Y'all with me? Man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bell. Hey, I hope everybody doing good today, man. But y'all, come on, man, let's wash up Sparrow right quick. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Man, y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84. Back one more again. Hey, how many of y'all out there don't work hard all week? Hey, and all you wanna do is go out and have yourself a good time. Check this out, Hey, well, let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Let's go out tonight, yeah, it's Friday, y'all. And I wanna get drunk, can have a ball. So I asked the old lady if she wanna hit the mall. Cause we gonna spin the bag, then put that shit on. Cause we stepping out tonight, looking just right. Baby, you looking good and shining so bright. Lord. Well, let's go out tonight, I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Hey, all we wanna do is go out and party. Have ourselves a real good time. Hey, is that alright? You done had a long, hard week at work. You got your moonshine, you got your money, and you got you something good to smoke. Hey, go out and have a good time. Hey, we pull up to the hole in the wall, the damn floor pack, y'all. I got my wood lit, the DJ playing my shit, y'all. Well, let's go out tonight, I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Well, let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. I wanna party, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all put on y'all dancing shoes. Let's go out in two-step. Two-step, y'all. Y'all ready? Yeah. Come on. Hey, come on in 2 steps to your left, then back to the right, then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all night. And Lord, she twerking and Lord, she doing it just right. Everybody on the dance floor doing it 2-step all night. We went to a party way down in the country, and where we bout to go, y'all, we don't need a lot of money. Pull up to a hole in the wall, I heard the DJ playing my song. Y'all, the dance floor was packed, y'all. Everybody getting it 2-step on. 2-step to your left, bring them back to the right, then they turn to the left, y'all. We bout to party all night. I can't wait to get in the door. I'm going straight to the dance floor, cause I wanna get my 2-step on. Cause my knees can't take no more than 2 steps to your left, then back to the right, then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all Two-stepping with my wood lid. I told the DJ, yes sir, keep on playing my shit. Cause it's finally the weekend, y'all. Ain't nobody trying to go home. They just wanna keep two-stepping. Two-stepping all night long. Two-step to your left, bring them back to the right. Then they turn to the left, y'all. We bout to party all night. I got friends to my left, y'all. I got family on the right. I got people from all over. The two-stepping all night. Come on in, two steps to your left, then back to the right. Then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all night. In-law, she twerking and twerking. In-law, she doing it just right. Everybody on the dance floor doing it two-step all night. Hey, everybody came out to unwind. So don't come out here, y'all, if you ain't tryna have a good time. Everybody on the dance floor stepping, two-stepping with a cup in their hand. Y'all just keep stepping. I bout to roll up again. Two steps to your left, bring them back to the right. Then it turn to the left, y'all. We bout to party all night. Nephew Jones bought the moonshine. They got chicken fresh out the grease. You can eat, just pat your feet, while the rest step with Come on in, two steps to your left, then back to the right. Then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all night. So if you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all. We just wanna ride, y'all. Cause when you pull them out, it just make you wanna scream and shout. We just wanna ride, y'all. We just wanna ride, y'all. So turn the radio on.
So yeah, man, y'all see we got Sparrow. We done knocked the dust off Sparrow. Sparrow a little cleaner than he was. Hey, I got a question, man. Man, how you put this right here back on your glove compartment? Hey, I don't know. I took it off, right? I took it off, but I don't know how to put it back on. I kind of reminded myself of Tulu 10 up shit. Shout out Tulu TV. Yes, sir. Hey, but yeah, man. Please let me know how you put this lock back on this glove compartment, man, so I can get it back on. Cause I took it off so I could run that wire harness back there. Cause I was gonna put the fuse box inside the black part of the glove. But hey, if I can figure this out, I can finish what I need to do. But man, yeah, man, I appreciate that. Oh yeah, let me show y'all this right here too. Shout out to Tulu. Yeah, man, while I was mentioning Tulu, let me show y'all this. But this is what I want to show y'all, right? Yeah. Y'all see my rear deck? Oh, I'm probably shaking the camera. But y'all see my rear deck? I got the LED lights right up, tucked up under the lip of it. You know what I mean? I grooved a little notch out of it and then tucked the LED under it. I ain't never hook it up. But yeah, man, that's my rear deck. I only showing it cause, man, my dog Tulu did his. But yeah, man, I just want to show y'all mine, man, cause, man, like, for one, it's motivation, man, you know? Like, I had mine done a long time ago, but I ain't never showed mine. If y'all look back in the videos, like, probably like my first video, like, I probably showed like a little, you know what I mean, a little peek of it, you know what I mean? But I never actually said, oh, y'all, look, my rear deck. Like I said, like, look at my console. And actually the reason why, cause I didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? I was embarrassed. I'm like, man, cause it was my first time trying it too. And shoot, and that's what I got my first time trying it. See, and I wanted to wrap mine back in the, y'all see I got to wrap that back in the factory carpet that it come back, that the package tray come in. Yeah, I put the carpet back on it and all. But that's why I never showed it, cause I was always, man, I'm like, man, that joint ugly, man, that joint whack. But now I see my dog doing his, man, like, and I'm proud of my dog, man, like, so I'm like, man, shoot, everybody gotta try something. You know what I mean? Like, you may not, it may not come out the way you want it at first or whatnot, you know what I mean? And we know in our mind, like how we vision things to happen or how we want things to go and stuff like that. But sometimes it don't come out like that, of course, the first time doing it. But hey, man, I think we doing pretty good, man. Hey, man, if y'all ain't never tried it, man, go ahead and try it on a console or the rear deck. Try it. Y'all see my dog Tulu trying it and got it, huh? Yes, sir. But man, that's why I wanted to show y'all that right quick. But man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all rocking with me, man. I just want to clean up Sparrow right quick before I get back to buttoning up. We ain't gonna button up nothing in this video because it's getting hot. I'm getting hungry. So to the next one, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, this your boy 84 and we out.